Hey, welcome back to Mr. Wally's Kitchen. Today we're making some easy quesadillas on the grill, but not just cheese quesadillas. I'm adding a few things to the cheese, like green onions, as you can see there, and I got some chopped up, very finely chopped up jalapenos. Some chopped cilantro, and then this is a fire roasted tomato, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of black pepper, some salt, and then I said, you know what, it needs more cheese, so I added more cheese. Very easy. So anyway, here's the fun part: the fire. Alright, that's it. Had a great time making these. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Bye.